What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing the Disco Bee from Roblox Grow a Garden. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, we're going to draw the front face of the head. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Now, going back up to the top, we're going to draw that same length line going up in an angle towards the left. Go up and then out. Let's draw that same line across the bottom. And we want to line this up on the left side. Close off the left side with a straight line coming down. Let's go inside the face and draw the outside of the glasses. We're going to start on the left, angle this down and in, just following that same angle we have across the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between. Draw another line coming down. From the inside, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the glasses on both sides. We want to make sure that this distance is the same as we have on the right. Let's angle this back towards the left side of the head, come down towards the right side. Let's trace the frame of the glasses along the inside. Let's connect the frames with two lines going across the middle, one on top and one on bottom. Now I want to fill the inside of the frame in black. Let's go in between these 2 points, step down in the center, add the mouth. We're going to curve this down and then up. Now from here we draw the right side of the body. Let's start from this point. We're going to draw a straight angle line going all the way across towards the back of the body. Now we're going to place the wing along the side of the body. So let's start here and draw that same line, angling down, angle this back, come across towards the end. Now let's flatten off the wing, going towards the back. Now I want to work our way across the back side of the wing. Start with a straight line coming across. Let's add that notch coming down and in, and then back in towards the edge of the body. Let's add some thickness to that wing. From each of these points, draw the same length line coming down. And now I want to connect the ends with another straight line, just to close off the bottom of the wing. Let's go back down towards the bottom. I want to draw the same line going across the bottom of the body. Just going to line this up on the right. Now let's close off the back, coming in behind the wing, and then from the bottom coming down towards the bottom of the body. Now there's 3 thick stripes that go across the back, so we're going to draw 5 lines. We're going to step in, draw 1, even space gap. It's 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Let's bend the arm of the glasses coming across the side of the body. From this point, step down, angle this back. I'm going to slope this down towards the back, flatten this off, and then trace those 2 lines coming back in toward the side. Let's fill that frame in black. Now we're going to work our way across the top of the body. Let's start from this point. Just going to angle this back to right about here. Now we're going to add the antennas. Slope this in. Now let's line this all the way up over on the right side and then come across. Now I want to draw the right side face of the antennas. So from here, go straight up. And I'm just going to repeat that over on the right. Going up with that same angled line. Come down towards the front. Let's flatten off the front, going straight up. Now let's follow this angle coming back. Now here we're going to come down, and we'll close up the bottom with the same angled line that we have along the side. And then on the right side, we just need to come straight down. From these 3 points, angle this back, going up slightly toward the left. just close off the side, and it will close off the top. Now going back to this point, just tuck that up underneath. We want to continue this line in behind the antenna coming across towards the back. So go in behind the front antenna. Let's go towards this point, angle this in behind. Now we're also going to carry these 5 lines going across the top. So let's start up here, going across, step down, now let's add in that back wing. We're just going to line this up, go across, angle this in behind. Now from this point, come straight down. Let's line up this line all the way over towards the left, going across, go back. Now we're going to go in behind the antenna. Let's close off the back, then center art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw the disco bee from Roblox Grow a Garden. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.